Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we've got something a little bit different, a little bit interesting to share with you and talk through as a new project. We had a really good customer of ours get in contact and say he's got an Italian 4x4 and he really wants us to trim it. Mine starts racing, Lamborghini LM002, maybe something new, Ferrari FF, Lamborghini Urus, something along those lines. Anyway, we said, yeah, you know, get the car down to us and we'll make a start. If you've got a spec in mind, he went, yeah, it's going to be wild though, you know, we're going to do some really interesting stuff with this car. So here we have it. The Fiat Panda 4x4 in all its glory. This is going to be a super interesting project and we're really looking forward to doing something a bit fun, a bit different and taking you on the journey. Now completed all of the interior works on the Fiat Panda. I'm going to jump into the cabin and just talk you through what the team have been up to, the modifications that we've made and the materials that have been used throughout the interior. Start with the seats. We've used this incredible navy corduroy, this bright red piping. That also ties into the red seat belts we've had manufactured for the car and the red piping on the rubber heel mats. On the sides and the back of the seats, we've got this check shirting material. As I mentioned at the start of the video, the client has supplied a number of materials that he wanted incorporated into the car. Some of them are wilder than others, but overall we think it's given it a really interesting, unique look. So we'll have a look at the dashboard next. You know, there's quite a striking piece of material that's been used on the knee roll here. Bit of a jungle theme, a couple of tigers popping out at you, and then a slightly more subtle blue check across the centre of it. We've also popped our logo on a bit of blue leather on the horn push there. And then you look up at the headlining and the sun visors, you've got this great sort of summertime striped fabric. Reminds you of being at the beach. Looks really cool, quite funky. Each of the door panels and then each of the quarter panels are done in 4 of the same material but in different colourways. Really nice effect, kind of a subtle difference that follows through the car. And then if we go into the boot, we've completely removed the rear seats and we've built this luggage area. The owner wanted it to resemble the back of a Jaguar E-Type, so we've got these polished with rubber luggage strips. They sit on top of 2 hidden storage areas that lift up on magnets. So you've got a nice bit of usable storage as well as having this flat rear area that would be, you know, great for storing anything in. So there we go. I've talked you through all of the interior of this Fiat Panda project. Really hope you've enjoyed this very different and unique project that we've been able to work on. The guys really enjoyed the creative nature of this one. They were just given a box of interesting fabrics and told to use them as they saw fit throughout the cabin. I think they've done a fantastic job. The owner absolutely loves it. He's going to go off and enjoy the car and do a few adventures with it. There's a few little hidden details that hopefully you've picked up on through the video as you've been watching. If you've got anything to say, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you want to see more videos, think about subscribing, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.